81 minus x equals 40. Okay. Now for this one, actually, let me explain this. Okay. When you come across a problem where you have a negative letter, what you want to do is you want to make this one positive, right? Okay. Whenever you come across a problem like this, what you want to do is you want to move the letter, because if you move the letter, what happens to the letter? It becomes a plus, right? This, because it's a minus, if I move it, it becomes a plus x. So now what basically happens is we have 81 equals 40 plus x. And then I can say I'm going to move this number to my left side. It's a plus and it's going to become a minus 40. So you have 81 minus 40 equals a positive x. 81 minus 40 is 41. So x equals 41. Yeah. Whenever you come across a question like this, always look. The best thing to do is to always make or have the letter as a positive.